Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Lilik Sri Haryani. I am Master of Social Science, Education Study Program, Universitas Kanjuruhan Malang, Indonesia. I want to presentation my paper for IS 2020 with my title, Learning Interest, the Environment as Learning Resource and Jigsaw Learning Models.
Introduction and Purpose. Social Science subject or IPS is one of the subjects given at junior high school level. Social Studies learning use an integrated approach covering 4 fields of study, namely geography, economics, history, and sociology. The implementation of Social Studies learning must be carried out interactively, fun, motivating students to actively participate in learning accordance with the interest and psychological development of students. Student activeness in learning activities will be formed if students have high interest. Learning interest is understood as a tendency and high enthusiasm or a great desire to carry out learning activities. Previous research has revealed many factors that influence student interest in learning. One of the factors that influence student interest in learning is the learning environment. The surrounding environment as a learning research is very beneficial for the social studies learning process. This is because the learning research are close to students. This environment potential can be in form of social, economic, cultural, and geographic environment. Previous research has analyzed the influence of environmental use and jigsaw learning models on student learning outcomes. This study aims to analyze the effect of using the environmental as a learning research and the application of the jigsaw model to the student interest both simultaneously and partially. The method. This research is a type of quantitative research with an explanatory research design. Explanatory research is the research that explains the relationship between x and y variable and tests the previously formulated hypothesis. The population in the study amounted to 273 with a sample of 87 students. The sampling technique was carried out by means of proportional stratified random sampling. The data collection technique used a questionnaire with 5 categories that had previously been tested for validity. The data analysis technique used multiple linear regression assisted by the SPSS computer program. Result and discussion. The result of descriptive data processing showed that interest in learning, the use of the environment as a learning research, the jigsaw learning model at SMP YPM Tarik Sidoarjo Regency is in a good category because respondent answer to the instrument distributed in data collection were more than 50% said it was good and very good. This indicates that all students at SMP YPM Tarik Sidoarjo Regency already have a good interest in learning. The environment as learning research can be utilized well, and the jigsaw learning model according to student response can be applied properly. The result of simultaneous hypothesis testing of the use of the environment as a learning research and the jigsaw learning model have a positive effect on student interest in learning. This is in line with the result of descriptive analysis of the collected instrument. According to the responses of respondents in social studies learning, teachers have been able to make good use of environment as a learning research. On the other hand, in social studies learning at SMP YPM Tarik Sidoarjo, according to the student responses, social studies teachers have also been able to apply the jigsaw casing model well. The use of the learning environment and the application of jigsaw learning model carried out together can affect student interest in learning social studies. The result of partial data analysis, the use of learning environment variable affect student interest in learning. The results of this calculation are in line with research which state that student interest in learning is influenced by how teacher can use the environment as a learning research. If the teacher uses the environment as a learning research, this means that the teacher has used real learning research. not in imitation or models. Relearning research makes better quality when compared to using models or imitation. Students will be more interested in something that is real and original than imitation or model. The result of the partial data of the independent variable of the jigsaw learning model show that there is a significant influence on the dependent variable of the student interest in learning at SMP IPM Tarik Sidoarjo. Learning with a jigsaw model makes students play an active role in learning activities. The conclusion: 1. The use of the environment as a learning resource and the application of the jigsaw learning model simultaneously or partially affect student interest in learning. 2. Limitations in this study are that some questions in the questionnaire cannot be understood by respondents. Therefore, it is recommended to the next research to reduce the questionnaire use again. 3. Further research can develop other learning models in teaching social studies so that learning is more meaningful and less boring.
That's my paper presentation. I'm sorry for any mistake. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.